वेलकम टू लर्न सोड एंड टाइपिंग विद विकास सर। एडवांस मैगजीन फॉर पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट। बिल्कुल आपका जो हम मैटर आपको डिक्टेट कर रहे हैं ना, ये थोड़ा सा हैवी मैटर है। इससे भी थोड़ा सा मतलब कम ही आएगा, इससे ज़्यादा हैवी मैटर नहीं आ पाएगा आपका। और जो बच्चा हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल से प्रिपरेशन कर रहा है उसका सिलेक्शन 101% है। ये आपकी जो मैगजीन है काफ़ी एडवांस मैगजीन है, ना ही इसका पीडीएफ है। मैंने काफ़ी ढूंढने से बनाई है, हमारी खुद की मैगजीन है, ये मैंने ही बनाई है। इस मैगजीन में आपका कोई पीडीएफ नहीं मिल सकता आपको, लेकिन आपको अगर मैच करना है टाइप करके तो आप मुझे व्हाट्सअप नंबर कर सकते हो। मैं लिंक में आपको ना कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर दे दूंगा। ओनली ऑन व्हाट्सएप पे मैं आपको सेंड कर सकता हूँ, फोटो सेंड करके। हर रोज़ की डिक्टेशन होगी आपकी। आज आपके 800 वर्ड्स होंगे, 80 वर्ड पर मिनट्स की डिक्टेशन होगा। सो बी रेडी। आप कहीं से भी, दिल्ली से हो, काफ़ी सारे बच्चों की मैसेज आते हैं, सर पार्लियामेंट का हमें पीडीएफ दे दो। पार्लियामेंट का और या पंजाब हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट का सेम ही मैटर होता है, लेकिन उसकी स्पीड जो पार्लियामेंट की होती है उसकी होती है 150-160, और जो आपके कोर्ट की होती है, कोई भी कोर्ट हुआ आपका, उसकी होती है 80 से लेकर 100 तक की स्पीड होती है आपकी। चलिए हम बिना टाइम वेस्ट करते हुए अपना 80 वर्ड पर मिनट की डिक्टेशन लेते हैं। सो बी रेडी गाइस। और आप एनर्जी से रहा करो। एनर्जी मतलब मेरा कहने का मतलब है जो बिल्कुल अच्छे से मेंटेन करके अपनी शॉर्ट एंड की डिक्टेशन लिखो और अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करो। काफ़ी सारे बच्चे बोलते हैं सर हमें 1 मंथ का टाइम मिलेगा। नहीं, उन्होंने टाइम जितना देना था आपको दे दिया, आपको सिर्फ 15 दिन का ही टाइम मिलेगा। 15 दिन से पहले 15 दिन का ही टाइम मिलेगा, उससे ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं मिलेगा। और बिल्कुल आपका टेस्ट जल्दी ले लेंगे। और वैकेंसी काफ़ी ज़्यादा है, काफ़ी कम है। वैकेंसीज में इंक्रीज भी हो जाती है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि भाई बच्चे काफ़ी सारों ने क्लियर कर दिया। इसका हर बार ये ऐसा ही होता है कि शॉर्ट एंड की जो वैकेंसीज होती हैं हाई कोर्ट में, पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट में, वो आपकी इंक्रीज होती ही होती हैं। इसलिए आप अपना प्रिपेयर हो गए हो कि मुझे एक वैकेंसी लेनी ही लेनी है। चलिए हम डिटेल में डिक्टेट करते हैं इसको। 800 वर्ड्स होंगे आपके। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। हाउ एवर ममता रानी अगेन चैलेंज्ड द ऑर्डर passed by the oil selection board before the Delhi High Court. She also filed a civil suit before the district and sessions judge at Chandigarh challenging the findings of the oil selection board and prayed for injunction against allotment of the retail outlet in question to Prithvi Singh. The writ petition filed by her was disposed or by the High Court with the observation that she could pursue the matter in the civil suit filed by her. In the meantime, the third eligible candidate, Updesh Kumar, also filed a civil suit before the additional sub-judge Palwal. The suit filed by Mamta Rani was transferred to the Palwal court and both the suits were tried together. During the pendency of the suits, Mamta Rani passed away and the suit filed by the abated. The suit filed by Updesh Kumar was tried and dismissed by the additional senior judge, sub-judge Palwal. Stop. Aggravated thereby, Updesh Kumar filed an appeal before the additional district judge Faridabad. The appellant court held by the correction of the date of birth of Prithvi Singh from 3/10/1969 to 26/12/1965 in his matriculation certificate and illegal, null and void, and was not binding on the appellant Updesh Kumar, and consequently the Indian Oil Corporation Limited was retained from allotting the disputed retail outlet to Prithvi Singh. This judgment was challenged by Prithvi Singh before the High Court of Punjab and Haryana, but the High Court declined to interfere with the judgment of the additional district judge Faridabad. It was further directed by the High Court that the Oil Selection Board should conduct a fresh selection. The finding of the learned single judge is challenged before us. Para. We heard the learned counsel for the parties and also Mr. Naresh Sinha, learned Solicitor General for the Indian Oil Corporation. Prithvi Singh had submitted an application for allotment of retail outlet claiming that he had completed 21 days of age as on the date of application. According to Prithvi Singh, his date of birth is 26/12/1965 and not 3/10/1969 as originally entered in his matriculation certificate. It may be noted that Prithvi Singh, as early as in 1986, had obtained Exhibit PW2 Bragdme date of birth certificate from the Chief Medical Officer Faridabad, wherein his date of birth was recorded as 26/12/1965. Stop. Based on this certificate, he later submitted an application for correcting his age in the matriculation certificate from 3/10/1969 to 26/12/1965. Stop. Case of the plaintiff appellant is that he is possession of the suit plot since the time of his forefathers. He had constructed boundary wall thereof. He also started raising other construction. Stop. He had spent about 1 lakh rupees on building material and labor. However, defendant number 2 Tahsildar objected to the construction being raised by the plaintiff. The construction already raised was demolished. Stop. Accordingly, the plaintiff sought to permanent injunction restraining the defendant's state of Punjab and its officers from interfering in peaceful possession of the plaintiff over the suit plot and term raising any construction thereon. Plaintiff also sought mandatory injunction directing the defendants to reconstruct the boundary wall, 2 rooms kitchen, veranda, and bathroom, which stood constructed up to plinth level, which were illegally and forcibly demolished by the defendants. Stop. Plaintiff also sought recovery of 1 lakh rupees as liquidated damages. Para. Defendants resisted the suit by alleging that suit plot is part of Khasra number 1528 belonging to provincial government, that is state of Punjab. Plaintiff started raising illegal construction in the suit plot to grab the same, and the said construction was demolished by the defendants. Stop. Plaintiff is neither owner nor in possession of the suit plot. Various other pleas were also raised. Learned Additional Civil Judge, Senior Division, Sangrur, White Judgment and Decree dated 27/10/2006 dismissed the plaintiff's suit. First appeal preferred by plaintiff has been dismissed by Learned District Judge Sangrur. Wide Judgment and Decree dated 12/5/2009. Feeling aggrieved, plaintiff has filed the instant second appeal. I have heard learned counsel for the parties and pursued the case filed. Counsel for the appellant contended that the plaintiff appellant did not claim ownership over the suit plot but claimed only possession thereon, and the trial court erroneously observed that the plaintiff claimed himself to be owner of the suit plot. It was also contended that by order of collector, plaintiff and other similarly situated persons were allowed to remain in occupation of their respective plots till allotment of alternative site. It was contended that plaintiff is in possession of the suit plot since the time of his ancestors. Full stop.